In this video, we will continue on working with the previous exercise that we started with in the previous tutorial. Now what we have to do is to plot the curve. As you can see, by far we have the value of x and the value of y. So we basically have 7 points, each having their own coordinates. So we can plot them: -2 and 12, -1 and 3, 0 and -2, 1 and -3, and etc. We have already found these. Now what we have to do is to plot them on this graph right here on the right side of the screen. Now first of all, we're going to start of course with our first point, having the coordinates -2 and 12. What we're going to have to do is to place x at -2 and y at 12, and there you go. Here we have our first point. Now moving on to the second one, it has a value of -1 and 3. Put x on -1 and y on 3. Now for the third point, it is on 0, -2. So x is on 0, y is on -2. The third one, 1 and -3, and then 2 and 0. After that, we have 3 and 7, so x is on 3 and y is on 7. And finally, we have 4 and 18, so x is on 4 and y is all the way up on 18. Now the next step is to connect the dots that we have just pointed out. And you cannot connect them in a straight line. You should have a perfect curve like this one, and there you go. This is the curve.